Welcome back to the channel. My name is Heather, and the purpose of this channel is to seek and create beauty, and sometimes out of a mess. I'm not sure I'm going to make too much of a mess today, but I'm going to. I know I've done a lot of paintings and lately, and I promise to get back to resin. I'm just on a quest to use up these paints, and I think this is the last one. So I am going to do yet another technique that I have never tried before, and that is, well, it's a swipe. It's a swipe technique, but kind of like, so when I first encountered this art form, the craze or rave at the time was cells and using treadmill silicone to create these cells. And it fascinated me. The science thing fascinated me. So I've never tried that before. I've never wanted to go out and buy a bottle of silicone. But this kit, this Ophir pouring acrylic set, came with what they call magic medium. Basically, silicone oil. And so I just thought I would give it a try. I'm using this up. I've never used this before. I may never use it again. And I have 2 colors left. There's very little metallic rose left, and there's a little bit of red. So I am going to do I'm going to put, well, let's just do it. Instead of me telling you what I'm going to do, how about if I just do it? Okay, so here's their magic medium, and it has a little pour thing. So this has about, what are these, almost 4-ounce containers. So this probably has 1.5 ounces maybe in it. So I'm just going to try. I've never done this before. Maybe 2 drops. It's on my finger. I don't know if it got in to the bottle or not. This is not a good, alright, there's probably more in there than we need. At least I think so. So, oh my goodness. So let's shake that up. I know you're probably not supposed to shake it up. In fact, I think I remember seeing that you're not supposed to shake it up. Oops. So, see, first mistake. And now I can't get the lid off. There it is. Oh no, I just noticed I got black paint. It's okay. It's alright. Let's just see if we can get a drop in this one. There's hardly anything. There we go. I've got too much in here, y'all. I know I do. So this one I'm not going to shake like I just did. I'm just going to kind of swirl it. Okay. So now, I'm not sure where these black flakes came from. Maybe, maybe from the sides of the bottle. It's okay. It's not a big deal. All right. So I'm going to do it kind of like a ribbon pour first. And then I'll show you how I'm going to swipe, because I'm not going to do a traditional swipe. So we'll just put these lids over here, and I'm going to finish this off and then put this in, whatever, in between. So, and I got smart. If I have to wear this, this glove on my hand, if this is ever going to pour out, there we go. If I have to wear this glove on my hand, I am going to use it to hold my sleeve in. Because y'all have seen more than one time that my sleeve has gotten into a painting. So, I am hopeful that that will prevent that from happening. I'm just going in between the lines here, because I don't know how much is left in here. And for my swipe color, I am going to use the white, and there is no silicone in that. What I did do is, because your swipe color is supposed to be thinner, I thinned it out with a little bit of water. And that's it. This is looking like we are nearing the end. Get that last. Good to the last drop again. In fact, you know what? While I'm pouring the rose gold, or metallic rose, I'll just put that upside down and see what happens. Alright, so now there's not much left of this, so I'm going to be very sparing with this and see if I can get it at least a little bit throughout the painting. Yep. Okay. More than I thought. But once these bottles are empty, y'all, it means this paint set is done. And it's not that I don't like this paint set. I do. Just trying to use it all up. Because I think, like I said before, you know, if this is a pre-mixed paint, I don't want to mix it with other brands. So, you kind of just have to use this because you don't know exactly what it's mixed with. So I'll let that sit for a minute while I do this. Yeah, there really isn't anything in there. So, okay. It's all good. Mel's here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tilt it like a regular ribbon port and cover the surface. Maybe I should go the other way. And maybe I won't have enough, y'all. Maybe I won't. Oh no, I picked a small canvas because I knew there was very little in here. Alright, I'm back. The mail carrier had packages that I had to take care of, and then it just took too long to get everything. So I just cut all of that out for you guys. You don't have to worry. You don't have to watch all of that. It did end up a lot more blended than I wanted. There just wasn't enough paint. But, you know, if you guys have been with me for a while, you know, there's always something. And so I had no idea. One of these days, it'll be much better. So, now here's my idea for the swipe. I've cut these. I cut 4, and I don't know if I'll need 4. I might just need 2. But I'm going to, instead of a regular swipe where you just go back and forth, I am going to make a shape. Now, because there's no cells popping up now, I'm thinking there's not going to be. So either this stuff is not what I thought it was, or I just didn't get. Made a mark on my thing. Actually, that's weird. Raised up. Anyway, so I'm not expecting any cells or many. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to try. We're just going to try and see. I'm going to start up here, and I'm just making a shape, which should become evident. Yeah, I think I am going to use all 4 because I didn't get enough white on there. So let's put that down, and I'm going to start on the other side because I think it's pretty obvious what I'm making here. Let's see, I'm left-handed, so I am going to try this, not get it too much in the screen. Took too much paint off. Oh well. Let's see, I am going to re-swipe, so I'm going to put that back. Because we don't want raw canvas, do we? Okay, not exactly centered, but again, Nothing we do around here, nothing I do around here is intended to be perfection. So, I think this time I might start, where do I want to start? I do see a couple little cells popping up. I think I will start at the bottom. Just a little bit of a connection, but not a whole lot. That looks better. I like the more white here, and it doesn't look like raw canvas right now, so there we go. Got one more. Okay. Start over here. Again, just making a little bit of contact, not putting a lot of pressure on it. Try that again. You know what? I'm going to redip. I know, probably not supposed to do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. At least looks a little more solid there. I'm going to put a little more white over here. That was not smart. I was just trying to get I think what I'm going to do with the sides is I'm just going to wait till it dries and then take a paint marker and do the sides. So there is my swipe. Again, not perfection, but if you've listened to my podcast, or if you may have heard in other videos, I am a breast cancer survivor, so that's what this was for. And it was just fun and to finish off those paints. So we'll see what it looks like when it dries. Like I said, I am probably going to take a paint marker to the sides because they are obviously not done very well. And we'll just wait and see. I'll be back for the beauty reveal. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to the beauty reveal. As usual, this one did not turn out as I had anticipated, but there's always beauty. So here we go. Now, it did do kind of what I wanted, in that I have a beautiful pink background and I have my cancer ribbon, not perfectly centered, but I'm okay with that. We did get some cells down here on both parts of the ribbon, and then if we go up, there's more on the right side. So I get the angle so you can see those there. And what I did is, after I turned the camera off, I went and got my torch and I torched through, and I got a few more of those cells popping up. So I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with the ribbon-like appearance here. You know, you see the different colors, even though they blended more than I wanted. Got that. It does look really good. And the metallic, let's see if we can get some of the metallic sheen there, but it's also pretty. But I think the rose, the lighter color, had gotten a little thick and had gotten a few things in it. And we can see right there, and then there's a few more right in here. And I think that once I get to varnish it, I think those will smooth out just a little bit and not be as noticeable. But you know, it's pretty. It really is pretty. And I am going to take something to the border here. Like I said, it may or may not be a paint pen. Maybe I'll just paint it black with some solid black paint. But you know, it's pretty. So there you go. Yeah, seek beauty. It's always there if you look for it. And we've got some here. And this one, of course, has my heart because, of course, it is it's my interpretation of a breast cancer ribbon.
And so this is for all you breast cancer survivors out there. All right. So like, subscribe, and share. And please check out the Ko-fi shop, ko-fi.com/warriorwords/shop. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.